For a real adrenaline rush. It is difficult to beat the feeling of water thrashing in your face as you steer your way down a torrent river, as Jason Roberts found out.
There really is something to suit all tastes on this kind of holiday, and those who like messing around on the water, no matter what the weather, should really consider booking themselves a place on this. Whitewater rafting enables you to enjoy the thrills of whitewater from an inflatable raft. Before setting off, you'll be kitted out with a wetsuit, life jacket and a helmet and given some instruction and safety training. Then it's time to hit the water.
Okay, this was my first time, so in the beginning the river is very high, they told us. I was a little bit nervous, but anyway, it was great fun, and sure, this will not be my last time. I will do this again.
Lots of adrenaline, but I had really good fun, and not all the girls were squealing.
Awesome, again, can we do it again? Can we? Again.
I tell you what, that was the most fun I've had in a long time. I'm exhausted now, my legs are really tired. And you're going down the rapid, you think the water's pretty small, but once you're in those holes and in the waves, it comes over you. I'm exhausted. It is so much fun. If you've never done whitewater rafting before, or even if you have, you really want to give this a try.
Now, has he convinced you another wild adventure to be had? Are you tempted yet?